In this video, we will show you how to replace your trunk lid support on this Ford Fusion. You have two of these. The process to replace them is the same for either. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we'll do is follow this up to where it connects onto the trunk. We can remove this by using a small pocket screwdriver or even a small pick. You'll find that it does have a locking tab, one on the top area here and one down along the bottom. Make your way in between, gently pry it apart, and then separate the area. With that separated, we'll pay attention to the trunk, making sure it doesn't fall down, and continue on doing the same down at the bottom. And there it is, friend. Clean and inspect the two mounting areas. All right, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new trunk lid support. Starting down along the bottom, we'll take this and put it in place. Press it in. Listen for a click, make sure it's secure. Once you've done that, bring it over into the proper position on the trunk and slide it into place. Listen for a click. Double check to make sure it's completely secure across the top and the bottom. Okay friend, we showed you how to replace one side. The process is the exact same thing on the other side of the vehicle. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.